So in this section, we will start talking about interest. And we will start off with simple interest, and then we will build to a concept called compound interest. Simple interest, as the name suggests, is the simplest way to think about interest. So if we have an investment or a loan of original amount, that original amount that we borrow or we invest is called the principal. As that money is invested or borrowed over time, that money will gain value. That increase in its value is called the interest. So we have the principal, which is the original amount, plus we have an accumulated amount called the interest, and together we call that total the accumulated value, or oftentimes the future value. So simple interest is calculated by I equals PRT. I is the simple interest, P is the principal, R is the annual interest rate, and T is the number of years. So let's find the simple interest on a loan of $650, which is borrowed at 6% annual interest for 20 months. So how do we do this? Well, the principal is the amount, in this case, that is borrowed because we're talking about a loan. The interest rate is 6%, so we write that as a decimal. And then the time is 20 months, but we have to write that in years. So 20 months needs to be converted to years. So we divide by 12 because there are 12 months in 1 year. So you can tell that we are multiplying by 1. 1 year equals 12 months. And so months cancels with months, and this would be 20 twelfths would be 5/3 of a year. So the interest is the principal times the rate times the time. So 650 times 0.06 times 5/3. So this yields for us $65. So that is the simple interest. So how much has to get paid back? Which is not the question being asked, but we'd have to pay back the original amount borrowed of $650 plus an additional $65. So the accumulated value, or the future value, is $650 plus $65, and that is $715.